Hi guys, how are you? Well, mugendeeko bannange, mugendeeko nina ebintu byange bye njagala obbannyonnyola, njagala tuberebereko tutandike. Muli mutya bannange? How are you guys? How is everybody doing? Waliwo abantiisatiisa, waliwo abantiisatiisa era ensonga lwaki nzize okwogera nammwe mbabuulire ekiri on ground. People are threatening me. Threatening me over my own music. Music that I wrote, music that I created with my sister Nina Rose. Tebasiga nsigo balinze makungula. They are threatening me over my own music in my own country. Wow. Mugendeko mbanyumize emboozi, mugendeko. This is where I want to tell my fans the whole truth and only the truth. If anything happens to my YouTube channel, or if anything happens to any of my social medias or anything, I was threatened by Black Market Records. The CEO Cedric himself. He called me yesterday and said he will sabotage my YouTube, my work, everything over a song that I own, a song that I invested in money, my own song that we invested in money, me and Nina, before even those guys came here. Seriously? Is this where our country is going? Yeah? Council Kembawe, a brief one. Me and my team, we signed a 1-year contract with Black Market Records. The contract was read well by my lawyers and my managers. They read the contract, you get? They read the contract, went through it thoroughly. We went through it. We even discussed it with those guys. Tubagamba kino tukyagala, kino tetukyagala. We discussed everything to detail. We discussed everything to detail. Nitukanya. We agreed. Beama okunkolera projects. They said in a year they want 12 songs to be done with videos funded by them. I agreed. I went to work. I started doing songs and sending them to these guys. You get? They only did Tonta, of which it was a song that was done by me. Barusangawo Nindubawa. They did the video for it. You get? Then Omuwala. Those are the projects I remember. Projects ezaddako nabanoonyanga bunoonya. They tossed my manager left, right, and center. Everybody who was working at Black Market, I have friends. Sharon can testify, Macha. Everybody knows that these guys were tossing me up and down. They were tossing me up and down, tossing me up and down, tossing me up and down, tossing me up and down. And most of the songs I did with my own money because I'm an artist and I'm very passionate about my music. For example, Wankuba by Palazzo, that was my own dime. You get? The Aliwa project, we teamed up with Nava, we did it. So many songs are Abalongo, most of those songs released during lockdown. They were not Black Market projects. And many of my people were asking me, and I didn't want to come out to speak like this until I got a call yesterday from Cedric. Cedric, you're threatening a Ugandan citizen in my own country. You're threatening me, yet you people stole from me. You guys are threatening me, yet you stole from me. In my own country. I'm being threatened in my own country by an American citizen. You guys. Lots of musicians out there are being cheated and they can't come out, they can't speak. But me, I'm not allowed to be intimidated. When I have people like my fans, I know the law. You get? I will not be intimidated. I will not be threatened. In my own country, you called me at 7:30 a.m. And then you threatened, I will do this, I will do this. You threatened me in my own country, on my own music that I wrote with Mose and Nina. And then you threatened me, saying that that's your song. Guys, if anything happens to my YouTube channel, you know the people that are responsible for it. You get Black Market Records. Nabawo kusoloza mu nyimba zange for a whole year. A whole year. I gave them money. I gave them the rights to collect royalties from my music. And guess what? For a whole year, those guys were not ashamed to send me send my manager 20,000 Ugandan shillings. Bubi chika chobo. 20,000 Ugandan shillings. Bubi chika chobo. Inze wembade nga soloza mu music wange ku YouTube ngaze amwesololeza. My music has been paying my rent. I've been buying fuel with my music on YouTube. The money comes in. I have my friend Sam Yiga, he can testify. Sam Yiga ya handling my YouTube things. He can testify kuba sente ya nyambo zijjayo. He can testify. Yeah? So kati gungamba otya nti music wa YouTube wange nsobola musasula ko rent. Ninkola n'ebintu ebirala. Gwe nongamba nti wenamuku omukusolozaamu wonna wamu ne ku iTunes wamujjamu emitwalo ebiri. Obwo bubbi nabasirikira. I kept quiet because saagala nnyo ntalo. You guys have never seen me come here live complaining. I never rant. But an issue of threatening me in my own country, you threaten me, ngamutubako, you get. Nina Rose left Black Market because you people are cheating her. She's my friend. Nina will also come out and speak. Mubadenga mumukole ebintu, mumubba. To our rights, tubesiga. Yeah? Tubesiga. We trust you guys with our music. We put a lot of effort in our music. We trust you guys with our music. Now I saw you guys, you uploaded my song on your YouTube channel. You uploaded my song. The next thing, you want to claim rights for my song. Cedric, is that your song? That is my song. It's not your song. I have receipts when I paid for Nipe Love. My manager paid it. Ivan paid for Nipe Love. It wasn't you. Don't stop lying around. The songs that you did for me, Atonta and Omuwala. Stop lying that Nipe Love is your song. I have spoken to my legal team. If that's where you want to go, we shall go that way. Stop intimidating and threatening us because you think you're an American and we are Ugandans. We can't speak. Stop. We go through a lot to create this music. We go through a lot. This is the only way we get our money. We have been working for 2.5 years, you know. It's coming to 2 years. People haven't been working. And then this is how you want to threaten us? Seriously? Over my own song? I saw now my song, you uploaded it on your YouTube channel. The next thing, you want to start claiming rights and royalties for my song. That's not your song. I did Nipe. It was first done by me and some young girl called Ariela. She was starting, I rewrote the song, me and Mose. Then later we said, no, Ariela, we are going to write you some other song. This is, let me put Nina on this song. Yes, even before Black Market came to Uganda. Why are you saying it's your song? I paid to 0 shillings. Brian Beats is my witness. Nothing is a lie. There are records for this song. So why are you saying it's your song? Why are you saying it's your song? You know, in my own country and you threaten me because you're an American and you're cheating from us. You get? Nina Rose left your label because of the same thing. Avapeace did. Wakwato Luimba Luabana Yuga Boys with Waiki Benda. You weren't funding them and you took it down. You get? You threatening us over our own music. Guys, fans, listen. These guys come. Musicians never make mistakes. We read our contracts well. We have legal teams. But these guys take advantage because they think we can't speak. Because they know when we come here and speak, you people are going to be judging us. Bano bagayi tebalina nsonyi bakwata emitwalo 2 ne bagiweereza muganda wange Ivan mbuze sente ze basoloza mwaka mulamba balimba. Nze music wange ku YouTube abadde nga sasula rent wange. Sam Yiga ye mujulizi wange. Those of you who are in the industry, you know Sam Yiga. Sam Yiga handles my YouTube. He withdraws my money on YouTube. He knows. Era omwezi wegugwanga nkubira Sam nga nsindikira sente. Kati gungambo tyanti nkuwadde okusoloza mu luyimba lwange mu nnyimba zange n'ennyimba ziri enkadde nongamba nti zivuddemu emitwalo ebiri obubbi obubali nasirika. Omuwala had over 100,000 videos, challenges on TikTok. 100,000. The records are there. Go to TikTok and check. That is all money, because every time you use somebody's song on TikTok, they pay you royalties. That is all money. It was in iTunes countdown on Muwala, top 100 for almost a whole year. That is all money. Why are you lying? Did you send us any single coin? You want to eat everything. And even what belongs to mine, Chikurekede, you still want to steal from me. Nipe Love has never been your song. It has never. Stop lying, Cedric. Stop. You cannot intimidate me from my country. I have spoken to my legal people and I'll get more help. My fans out there, if you're a lawyer, if you're anybody, you can reach out to me. These guys are stealing from us. He went, they registered my songs, caller tunes. Bateke nyimba zange mu caller tune nga tebangambye. They didn't seek my signature. They have been stealing from me. And I'm quiet and I'm silent. Because they think, oh, Bruno, okay, oh, he's an easy guy. To them, Cedric, don't mess around with me. You spoke so much yesterday. How you're going to sabotage my YouTube channel. But God forbid, let something happen to my YouTube channel. Cedric, I am a Ugandan, you're an American. But we work for this music. Very soon Nina Rose is going to come and tell you. She left their label for the same things. You're cheating on us. You're cheating, man. You're cheating our dime, man. We work so hard. How much did you invest in Nipe Love? 0 shillings. 0. And then you say it's your song? Temuina and Sonyi, I have witnesses. Sharon was working for you. Martha was working for you. They are my witnesses. There is no money you paid for Nipe Love. Leka kulimba. Nipe Love has signatures. Signatures. Ruina receipts from Brand Beats when I did that song. Even before Black Market came to Uganda, I had that song. So leka kulimba. Stop lying that it's your song. You want to steal from my work? You want to steal my work? You want to steal my work after you've stolen a lot from me. Now you want to steal from my own work. I left you. You took the royalties from Mwala. I left you Nemuzitwala. You ate everything. I gave you 1 year to collect from my music. You sent 20,000. Mwanzi Banensirika. I've been funding every project of mine. I hustle and fund it. Now you're here. You're trying to threaten me. Threaten my life. In my own country, over my own music. You threaten me and threaten my life and my work. Cedric. Yo. This guy is a sick. Ocean, come out and speak. You're my brother. Sagara webuze. You took me to Black Market. And you're there, Osirise, because you love money. You're not talking anything. Is Nipe Love Cedric's song? Ocean, be serious. There is that guy also who works Oyo Murokole, Shadrach. You guys come out, Oli Murokole, Osabira Wapasta Mbonye, Yogera Amazima. You guys are scamming artists and you're not speaking. Do you think Rabadaba was stupid to speak in Timubba Centers Abayimbi? Do you think Rabadaba was stupid? He was right. But Nengamba wa respect, nga siva yoko ogera. Nengambo manyi. Jova toyombye, ochitegeera. Nebijjamu ebintu by'okuntiisa n'okutiisa my life. Threatening me over my music, which is not yours, which you didn't invest in any shilling. I have witnesses, Cedric. We shall go to courts of law. I have witnesses. I have receipts when I paid for Nipe Love. It was 5 years back before you came to before Black Market came to you. Actually, like 3 before you came to Uganda. Watch Olimba. I've started working with Black Market last year. So if I had Nipe Love and it was already cleared, like some years back, why are you saying it's your project? It's musonyi okunyiga banange naye kiruma okubanga okoze music wo omuntu najja n'amutwala najja n'agamba mbuwe ate n'akutiisatiisa mu nja kutuusaako obulabe ku music wange ku mwagala okuntiisatiisa. aba basajja banziba kanjogere ne mu Luganda kati balimba njogera mu Luzungu aba basajja banziba omwaka gonna nabawosoloza mu nnyimba zange zonna n'enkadde ne ze bakola ne baweereza manager wange emitwalo 2 balimba nze wembera ne Sam nga tusoloza music wange nsobola osasula rent nsobola okukola ebintu ebirala Sam Yiga ye mujulizi wange bamanyi Sam Yiga abeera ku YouTube he helps me with my YouTube he helps me ye mujulizi wange but twasirika omuwala genda ku TikTok aina views ng'emitwalo 10 I mean aina videos over emitwalo 10 eza challenges that is all money because okosa oluyimba lw'omuntu ku TikTok bagamba this clip contains music from so and so and so that's all money oyo omusajja teyatuweereza ko wadde a single coin for that song nembibalekera nasirika ekitegeera kyokka bali wano they are trying to threaten me over my own song Nipe Love is it your song kyokka yalwa uploading nze nayoteka ne ku YouTube channel yaabwe nsirise kati ekiddako mbayagala ku claiming royalties for my own song kyokka ate antiisatiisa omumerika otiisetiise nze omunauganda mu nsi yange ng'ate onziba ate otiisetiise mu nsi yange you threaten my life over my music Cedric mugalinye gye gava black market mugalinye gye gava tugenda kuguluba tugenda kuyiriba nze I'm not Yuga boys I'm not those people you've been teasing around tugenda kuguluba muganda wange tugenda kuguluba respect Ugandan musicians bwe bato wano man people are doing things to musicians just last year guys stole everything from John Black man abantu beyakolanga nabo bamutwalako everything they took it from John everything the boy went back to zero lwakuba teyavaayo kubagamba he was depressed he was sad sijja kukkiriza kutuuka kweyo state over my own music that I created newe twali tuvoicinga Nipe Love nga tuteekako eddoboozi lya Nina kuba Nina yasanga waliwo omuwala yali ayimbyeko kungulu baali bamuyita Ariera all those are my witnesses Cedric if you dare fuck around with me bro don't fuck around with me don't you told me I can't fuck around with you you're an American don't fuck around with me in my country I have evidence for that Nipe Love is my song it is my song fully paid by my manager Ivan Kasozi and Dean they paid everything I have witnesses. The girls who are working for you, Sharon and Martha, they are my witnesses. I came with Nipe Love. I played you all my songs that I had before, and they were fully paid. I pleaded with you to do the video for Nipe Love. No gana nga mwebuzabuza. Nga webuzabuza. Ongamba Nina is not around. Nina is not this. Ngolimba. Kati contract ya mweyawedde. Mwanziba. Ochegera. Nkola bintu byange. I've been funding my music. And you want to steal from me my project? Do you know how we recorded that song? Ololwimba twalukodinga ne Nina sawa 11 ez'okumakya. Twakera mu studio. To very yagala just kujja tutise twala oluyimba laffe. What have you done for the song to take? If you want to claim royalties for the song, what have you done? What have you done on the project? Nothing. Your contract ended in March, I think. Nemba sidikiranga munzibye. You've registered my songs in Smanya Caller Tunes. Without my consent, you didn't seek my signature when you were taking my songs to the Caller Tunes. I didn't sign that in your contract. You cannot take my old music without speaking to me. You have to speak to me. You have to seek my signature. You people took my music and put it in Caller Tunes. Ngasibaropanga. Cedric. I am a wolf in a sheep's skin. Don't fuck around with me, bro. Don't fuck around with me. I don't give a fuck whether you're an American. I'm a fucking Ugandan. This is my country. And that song is my work. Don't fuck around with me, bro. Don't. And then take your fucking threats away from me. This is my country. You won't fucking threaten me. I was born in this fucking country. I was taught never to be disrespected by my parents. You will not disrespect me over my work and threaten my life over my music. Fuck off, bro. Fuck off. Shit. And if anything happens to me, my fans, that nigga knows everything. He knows what he knows because he has been threatening me. They've been threatening me. And bro, let anything happen to me. Let anything happen to me. People will forget that you're an American. The people that I know, my family, they'll forget that you're an American. Let anything just happen to me. Fuck your threats, bro. Fuck them. Until the Olympic of America, remutegera fucking, eh? Fuck your threats. And fuck your shit of stealing our music, man. Fuck it. Any young artist, I feel sorry for Felicita. I don't even know who thought to take her to those guys. They're going to frustrate that young girl. They are going to frustrate her. Babi. Chibula call just like this katono kati Daddy Andra Veya bagambe. Nina Yabalese, she's no longer working with you guys. And very soon Nina will do an interview. You did the same shit to Rabadaba. Zinalisa zao based on you na kugeda because the sala nyo bintu byaku naye bintu byokunti satisa Cedric, don't call my phone again, don't. And I dare you, bro. If anything happens to my YouTube channel or me, we are going to go the hard way, bro. The hard way. This is my country. I was born here. Don't tell me you're an American. Don't. It's my fucking country. I was born here. That's my fucking music. It's my music, not your music. You do not know the hassle we went through with Nina to do Nipe Love. You don't. So don't come around and say you can take our song. Don't. And don't ever threaten me because you're not. Abana Uganda bantise konegwe toja kuntisasiza munsi yange muganda wange. Untisize mu Uganda. Yenga tuwajirwa. Untisize munsi yange. Mulekerawo kuba abayimbi. Stop. Mulekerawo kuba abayimbi. Abaana bonna abasinga abakolera bajulizi bange. Ebintu bino zo bikola abayimbi naye nze togenda binkola. Kuruno oluyimba lwange ne Nina Rose tugenda kuguluba kuba lwange. I invested money in that song. I invested time in that song with Nina. Lwaffe, or we did that song before you even came to Uganda black market. We did that song. Katotani kwa tokuntisatisa ku music wange. Fuck off, bro. This is Uganda, man. Fuck off. Take your shitty laws to San Francisco, California, whatever that shit. This is Uganda, bro. Fuck off. Fuck off. Until lulimi lumutegera mu America. Fuck off, bro. Fuck off. Keep your fucking realities for Mwala. I don't need them. I left everything for you guys. And I'm telling you one thing. Get all my fucking songs off Caller Tunes where you registered them without my signature. Get them off. Because your contract ended. So don't fucking threaten me, bro. Don't fucking threaten me in my own fucking country. Bana Uganda. People coming to threaten us in our own country. What the fuck? Bro? Yesterday we got this fucking nyinyi ngoloza zisizimanyi. My nigga, don't fuck around with me. I told you I'm a wolf in a sheep's skin. Don't fuck around with me, Cedric. Don't fuck around with me. Don't fuck around with me. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. You people are not going to go cheat Ugandans. Every musician out there, black market records, fucking scammers, don't listen to them. How many artists have come to them and left? How many? You've worked with Nina Rose. Wait for Nina Rose's story. She's coming soon. Wait. She will tell you. Is she still in the label? Bro, don't fuck around with me over my song. And then you come and threaten my life. And then threaten my work. Wow, I will take down your YouTube channel. Cedric! You don't even know that. Tomaina mirimu jena kola kuteka kukola nyimbe ezo. Tomaina jena just sent because you found me hustling alone. With my brothers. We were hustling, bro. You don't know where I get the money to do the music from. So don't fuck around with me, bro. That's my fucking hustle. That's the hustle that feeds my kid. You get? And some people in my family, so don't fuck around. And then you come also and threaten my life in my own country. Bro. Cedric. You're fucking around with the wrong people, man. What the fuck? Man. Omuye yanziba. Nensirika. Katera agalera kujja contract ye yagwa dda ng'amaze okunziba. Era ayagala kujja atwale n'oluyimba olwange. Oluyimba lwe nakola nga taliyo. Yatusanga n'oluyimba lwaffe ne Nina Rose. Talina wadde n'ekikumi lwe yateeka mu luyimba ayagala kukungula bukunguzi. Okitegeera? And they are there. Bali awo abantu abamukolera baganda baffe bana Uganda. They are helping him fraud us. Mweba Ocean imwe. Muliwa Ocean Media. Speak up. You've been my friend for over 7 years. I speak to your kid. Your kid calls me Uncle Ocean. Why can't you speak up? You're not speaking. They're cheating your fellow Ugandans or city sego Ocean Media. Encha wofuna ekizibu. Omwana wajja tukirira nze gwe Ocean. Because your kid calls me uncle, man. Speak up. Stop being funny because people are giving you money. Better more. Don't lose brotherhood over money, Ocean. Ocean and yo. Man. Ndi munyiira. Ate mukubira amasimu temumanyira siri muganda wamwe.